I created this video with Grok AI without paying anything, just for free and without the Grok app. Let's play it and see what it looks like.
Tonde, you broke my heart.
I'm sorry, Amara. Forgive me.
See? So in this video, I'm going to teach you how I was able to create this video with Grok AI for free, despite Grok charging a lot of money for people to generate videos these days. So we know that Grok has been having issue for days now. Many people are limited from using Grok. Some people are being blocked, while some people are hitting limits on a daily basis, even without generating much videos. So, and people are now looking for means on how to generate their videos. I found a way where you can generate your videos using Grok for free. Okay, so let me take you straight to the point on how you can generate your videos using Grok for free. So before you do that, you must have generated your images, okay, and generated your scripts. So if you've not done that, head over to your AI. I don't know the AI you use for your scripts, but I normally use ChatGPT to generate my scripts. Generate the script. By script, I mean your story, the story you want to create, and then you now generate your images either with ChatGPT or Gemini, whichever one, or any other AI that you feel works best for you. For me personally, I use ChatGPT for my scripts and my story, while I use Gemini for my images. Okay, so if you've already done that, like I already have my script, I already have my images. The first thing you're going to do is to head over to your browser. I'm using Chrome browser. Whatever browser you're using, it's okay. So you type Kie.ai, Kie.ai. Okay, so now I've not signed up on this page, so they're going to tell me to sign up. All right, so if you've not used this site for the first time, you need to sign up before you use it. Click on sign in. Use any of your email. I'm using my Google to sign in. Okay, so I've signed in successfully. Wow, this is it. So now this let me call it Kie.ai. It uses so many models. As you can see, we have this cloud. We can access cloud through this website. This is GPT image generator. The next one is Sedans 2.0. This one is Nano Banana. This is Grok Imagine. See, so if you look here, you're going to see all models, even VEO 3.0. Okay, you can get it here. Sora 2 is also here. Okay, so there are so many of them. Nano Banana Gemini 2.5 flash image preview is also here. And Suno, you all know what Suno is all about. Okay, Suno is used to generate your songs, your AI song, and it is free. These are the models. We have Gemini here, we have Cloud Opus, we have GPT-5, we have OpenAI GPT image 2.0, we have Happy Horse, 69 models. Sedans, Quen, even Quen is here, Cloud is here. There are a lot. You see the numbers down here. If you want the next page, click on it. So that's just it. So you can easily access the Grok. All right, so okay, this is it. Grok Imagine. Image to video. This is it here, but I can't access it through here. So let me search for it here. Okay, banana. Okay, it's not here too. Let me go to the next page. Number 3. Gemini, banana, vlogs, Quen, Kling, Seed Dream, OpenAI, One, Sedans, Kling, Gemini. Okay, it's not here. Let me go to the next page. There are 69 models here. That's why it's taking more time to find. Okay, Grok Imagine. Let me try it. See it here. Click on try it. So now I'm going to, you can generate from image to video, text to video, text to image, image to image. What this image to video is, you already have your image, so you want to turn it to a video. Text to video is, you don't have an image, you just want a text. You type a text and it will generate into a video. The text will turn into a video. Then text to images, you use a text to create an image. Image to image, you want to use an image to create another image. You can extend. Yes, not just 6 seconds. If you want 10 seconds, you can click on extend here to extend it. Upscale, you can upscale it from 480p to 720p. You know that there are different qualities. Okay, 720 is of higher quality. All right, so you first of all remove this one. Okay, then because that one is automatic, it shows automatic on the website. So you now click on select files to pick the image you want. Remember I said you have to have generated your image first before coming here. Click on done. So the image is uploading. So it has uploaded. Then come here. This is where you put your prompt. So you remove this prompt that is here and put your own prompts. Okay, now is in normal. Is duration is 6. If you increase the duration, you can actually increase, but if you increase it, it's your money. Okay, then aspect ratio 9:16. Choose your own aspect ratio. Resolution 480. If you make it 720, they would charge you because 720 is of a higher resolution. Then click on run. So it will start generating. So now it has started generating. It's written generating content, progress 18%. Okay, so this actually takes time. It's not like the main Grok app that generates in, let's say, seconds. This one will take more time, especially when it gets to 99. It will become very slow, so it needs patience. But then while it's generating, you can actually exit and go to another app and be doing another thing. When you come back, it will still be there. They don't take too long before you come and check the progress. So now our video is ready. Let me play it and see what the result looks like.
Tonde, you broke my heart.
I'm sorry, Amara. Forgive me.
Wow, this is so beautiful, and this works so well, especially for those of them like me who got their phone IP address flagged by Grok. As it stands now, I can't use Grok. I don't know whether it's going to be forever or it's going to be for some months, but once I try to log into Grok, to sign into Grok, they tell me that this thing has been blocked. So basically, from this site I can actually use Grok AI. So this is so good, guys. All right, so if you use it and it works for you, please tell me in the comment section and make sure you share my videos to people. Before I end the video for today, to download your video, you see this either you click on these three dots or this down arrow here. So click on it. It's already downloading. I click on the arrow, or if you click on the three dots, you're going to see download. You click on it as well, and then your video is downloading. Download successful. That is it for the tutorial on how to use Grok AI for free. See you guys. Bye.